Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn EE words. E and E are twins, and when they play together, they make a long E sound, which is E. E and E becomes E, and L phonic sound is L. So when we read it together, it becomes eel. Similarly, sound of B is B, and double E sound is E. B, E, B. Repeat after me for better understanding and learning. Sound of W is W. E, K, weak. Sound of N is N. E, D, need. Sound of T is T. R, E, tree. Now I am only going to say the phonic sounds, and please repeat after me. A, D, need. A, T, eat, feet. K, N, A, me. H, A, L, hey. Thank you for watching. Do practice all these sounds for better learning. And do subscribe my channel for more educational videos. Thank you.